Earthquake 46059 Pioneer. Dual direction control for tough sod and flawless seed beds. Watching a stubborn patch of overgrown lawn resist your shovel can drain your motivation before planting even begins. Yesterday, Greg stood exhausted in his backyard, staring at cracked sod after bent metal blades failed repeatedly. That quiet feeling of helplessness turns ambitious gardening plans into pure physical misery. Hard ground should never stop you. Have you ever felt that frustration? Wasted weekend hours quickly multiply into mounting anxiety as crucial planting windows slip away unnoticed. Marcus spent an entire Saturday wrestling shuddering machinery, nursing blistered palms, and breathing pungent dust while barely gouging hardened clay. That relentless strain creates quiet burnout that ruins your seasonal enthusiasm. Real relief is coming. Smarter mechanical innovation can restore effortless control to every project. The breakthrough solution arrives with the Earthquake 46059 Pioneer. Don't just pick any rear tine tiller. Make sure it has dual direction tine rotation so you never experience wrestling, bouncing blades across rock-hard compacted soil again. Driven by a dependable 127 cubic centimeter 4-cycle Briggs & Stratton engine that requires no messy fuel mixing, this rugged bronze gear-driven machine effortlessly transitions between aggressive counter-rotating groundbreaking and silky smooth standard rotating bed preparation. You gain deep 11-inch soil aeration, adjustable depth control, and a generous 17-inch clearing path that cuts tough seasonal yard work in half. Flat-free, airless rubber tires conquer rough terrain with exceptional traction, while the frustration-free shift lever and instant reverse allow seamless repositioning along narrow fence lines and tight raised borders. Julian, a busy landscape professional facing a tight Monday client planting deadline, prepped 3 massive garden plots in a single afternoon without lingering physical backstrain. Soil preparation suddenly feels truly enjoyable. Yet raw mechanical power is only part of what guarantees genuine, lasting confidence when tackling unpredictable garden soil season after season. That dependable versatility transforms routine garden care into an effortless seasonal standard. An outdoor power equipment specialist noted that the dual direction system breaks hard ground like a heavy commercial unit while cultivating established rows without aggressive soil disturbance. Likewise, a dedicated home gardener shared that the counter-rotating mode easily carved brand new planting beds out of neglected grass in just 2 smooth passes. You might wonder if its solid 160-pound frame feels cumbersome to handle. In practice, the balanced weight distribution, dual-side clutch levers, and self-propelled airless wheels keep the machine steady and remarkably easy to maneuver. Hannah, an active community garden volunteer who was initially nervous about heavy equipment, guided it through compacted pathways all afternoon without experiencing tired arms or control issues. How refreshing is true mechanical reliability? See why so many dedicated growers refuse to work without this dependable machine now. Consistent balance restores your confidence. That rugged bronze gear transmission paired with puncture-proof tires ensures you spend your valuable weekends cultivating flourishing crops rather than performing frustrating maintenance. You enjoy seamless transitions from aggressive spring sod breaking to fine autumn bed refining, proving that this well-engineered machine delivers lasting peace of mind for every season. Join the many passionate growers and homesteaders already discovering smoother soil preparation season after season. Last week, Arthur converted a neglected weed patch into nutrient-rich soil in just a couple of peaceful hours. Results may vary depending on your unique soil composition and moisture levels, but having the right mechanical support genuinely changes everything. Great tools build great gardens. Check the link in the description or pinned comment below to explore complete specifications, review helpful options, and welcome effortless cultivating into your own garden today. Happy planting!
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.